All right. Like to see gold come back and retest. Maybe look for some longs.
How much size do you drink when it comes to your
Full port.
Sure.
Why you so mean to me, dog? Oh, that would be the only logical answer. You're a mad taco. What's up, Oasis? I'm good, no complaints. Another day in paradise. CC. I do really like this gold if we can pull back and retest the opening high. I can. I can if you use TPT with code Brandon. Psych. Hell yeah. TPT is better. Watching gold, personally. Uh, 50, 59, 50, 60.
I don't really think I have anything particular on watch. Let me just get a feel for how this moves. It'll probably be a bit slow today.
What are you watching?
Thank you.
Nice. What up, G Strand, Don Morgan, blah, 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 blah. Kimberly, what's up, everybody? Everybody on TikTok, good evening. See if we can find a nice trade. Cobra, TC Trades, what up? If you guys could, take 2 seconds, double tap the screen. It'd be greatly appreciated. It helps a lot with the algo. Follow if you haven't already at Live Trade New York, periodically Power Hour, periodically Asia. So, there we go. It's free to join. So, if you guys haven't, follow, double tap, everybody in YouTube, hit that like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Got 50 of you up in here so far. This is a 5-minute time frame right now. Yep, I'm watching GC. That's mainly what I trade for Asia is GC. Was good. What up, what up? If we even get this damn pullback on gold, shit's pumping. And Q doesn't look too bad either. Already got that break and retest though. Not a big fan. But I mean, it looks good. Also, real quick, if you guys are not in the free Discord, that I opened up last week, or not even last week, a couple days ago. We're already at 800 people. So the Discord is completely free. If you guys want to join it, just shoot me a DM on Instagram at Brandon Trades. If you DM me over there, say Discord, I'll get you guys in. Again, it's free. Free 99 to join the free Discord. Yep. I was live for New York. If you guys followed my system too, you could have caught the exact high day. Said to watch ES for a reject at, where is this red or green rectangle? 7006.75. I was 0.25 or so, one tick off the high. And that was the exact high of today. But yeah. Let's see. GC. I want to get that pullback on GC. I'd be interested. You can hear Gene in the background as well. Trade Asia like 2 to 3 times a week. Uh, 50, 60. I don't even know if we're going to get the retest, but I'd like it. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button, it'd be greatly appreciated. If you're not following everybody on TikTok, make sure to do so. Guarantee not all of you in here are following. I live trade every single day. New York, Asia periodically throughout the week, Power Hour periodically throughout the week, but I'm at least always live for New York. So again, if you guys enjoy free live trading, all you gotta do, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button, it'd be greatly appreciated. Investing for the long term, Vanguard, I'd say. There's a schedule for when I'll actually be live in the free Discord. It's 3 times a week in the free Discord. I was live yesterday for Power Hour. I'll be live Thursday for Asia, and then live for New York on Friday in the free. But if you want access to live trading with me always, 5 times a week with no delay, then you have to be in the premium Discord. But again, I want to watch this 50-60 on gold for a pullback. I mean, if you want to use Robinhood, you can. It's really up to you. Really up to you. If you use code Brandon on Apex, you'll get 80% off. If you use code Brandon on Take Profit Trader, you'll get 40% off with no activation fee. So that's what code Brandon will get you. We got 100 of you in the YouTube, though, with only 20 likes. Only a fifth of you hit that like button so far. Thank you for the subscribe. 50-60 is what I want. Maybe even 50-64. That'd be what? Again, everybody in TikTok, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button. Guarantee out of the 50 that we have in here, not all 50 are following. What's up? Mecca J, I think is how you say it. What up, what up? I'm watching gold. Good old gold. Where'd Jen go?
Um,
Why?
you were on too.
No, I wasn't. I don't know what you're talking about. What's up, Big Bag? Big Bag Boog. Come on, Gold. Don't bounce yet. What's up, Dex? Good shit, Justin. I'd say for Asia, I trade more so intraday setups compared to New York, where a lot of it is higher time frame setups, like supply and demand. It's very rare that we hit supply and demand during Asia. But I mean, if it did, obviously I would watch it. But through my experience, very rare. It's more so intraday setups on Asia. And then typically during New York is when we go to key levels. I really want this 50-60. If you guys are looking to learn more about my strategy, just head on over to YouTube, type in Brandon Trades. Supply and demand, I'll pop right up. 125,000 subscribers, 1,500 plus free videos. So tons of overall education over there for free. Come on, Gold. Don't bounce early. It's not what we want. Pull back. Which coin? This ain't no coin. Come on, Mr. Gene. Give me a trade. Damn, gold is bouncing early.
Chill. Think we see potential pullback, but I'm not really seeing much shorts.
On what?
I think we'll see a pullback, but I'm not really seeing much shorts. Maybe a potential pullback to like 260.
There we go. Come on, gold. 50-60. Can you talk a little more about Bookmap and what? Pretty much I'm looking for liquidity at my key levels. So I want to see buyers and sellers to actually show me that, the level is key. If there's no buyers or sellers at a key level, then obviously it's not key. But if there is buyers or sellers at a key level, it's important. That was one of the main reasons why we shorted today on the S&P futures, because there was a lot of sellers at my supply zone. So it was an area that I believe that price was going to reject off of. Came up, tons of sellers, no buyers. What happened? That was a high day. Come on, gold. You were here for 30 minutes. Where are you going? No. You stay. I love you, Jen. No. Psych. That does not sound fun. Peace. She knows it's a joke. $50.60 is what we're waiting for. $50.60 is what we're waiting for. Maybe even $50.62. No, why would we instantly buy? There's no reason to. Confirmation. Confirmation. All right, let's see if we get a reaction. All right, we're pulling back to gold level. See if we get a reaction. Might have to average in. I'm gonna try some here, but I'm willing to add more. We dip down into like 50, 61-ish, give or take. Very light size here, by the way. Very light. $50.60 is the ideal area. Just in case they want to bounce at 8 EMA. But do have some buyers down here. We have a lot of buyers at 50.60. So that's why it's small here, just in case there is potential for 50.60. All right, see what happens here. Still haven't added to the position yet. Damn, maybe I should have. See if we can get above VWAP. If we can actually hold above 50.65, that opens the door going back into high day. If you guys did get the ad closer to 50.60, though, I mean, that was a really nice ad. I just personally didn't get it yet.
And I'm gonna start something cute.
There we go. We're up a few points up here if you guys want to trim. I would personally look to take it higher. Yes, I'm in a trade. I said I was in gold longs. You said you're trying NQ? Fire. See if we can get this gold up above the 67. We should shoot for 71 after that. Reclaim that VWAP, which I like. Let's see if we can hold it. My shit freeze. You hear me? Bet. See if we can get this move on gold. Like the volume on that reclaim. I mean, it definitely opens the door back to today's high. What up? Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that follow button, and be greatly appreciated. Everybody here on TikTok, everybody on YouTube, subscribe. Also, make sure to double tap that screen, hit the like button. It helps a lot with the YouTube algo as well as the TikTok algo. The more people we get in here, the merrier. So again, if you guys haven't, follow, subscribe, double tap, like. It'll all be greatly appreciated. And if you guys do want to join my free Discord, just started it a few days ago. We already have about 800 people up in there. Shoot me a DM on Instagram, Brandon Trades. Same as my TikTok, same as my YouTube. Just go on over there, send me a DM saying Discord, and I'll get you guys in the free Discord. Again, free Discord, DM me on Instagram, Brandon Trades. Any of you guys in this gold with me? Yep. All right. See if we can get this push.
This will probably be 15. It's all about reaction. That's what my stuff's in based on. Really, what I'm about to see, guys, we can push above this area, into like this 300, around 25 points, and then maybe we can get a potential setup machine.
Pretty sure there's a slight delay on TikTok. That's why. But Thinkorswim has the fastest data out of anyone. Just want to see if we can get above the 67. We got that average down. That shit would have smacked, but I didn't get it. Might wait for this 5 o'clock open, to be honest. I do want to say, if you guys don't like this gold, we are at break even. I like to give you guys that option always, if you don't feel comfortable chilling at break even.
My average is 75. It's all light records.
Just got to break through the 67. The sellers are going. Should be a pretty straight shot into 70.
I did like how it closed out 15-minute mark.
Again, if you guys want to trim on this, if you got that average down on gold, feel free. We are kind of struggling with this 67, but if we can get above it, I mean, I don't really see sellers. Got some at 70 and then 72. We can get up to 70, I'll slide my stop to break even.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's because I'm trading on an eval. We're doing an eval challenge on my foot only in 6 micros.
Not a good looking 5-minute candle. There we go. Come on. There we go. Come on. Nice. We hit that, well, close to 70. I'm going to put my stop at break even, everybody. Again, if you want to trim, feel free. I'll put it slightly in profits, actually. Guys making money on gold? Yes, no, maybe. Oh, well, it rejected and just came down and hit my stop in profits. I was personally looking for that push into high day. If I was able to add more down at that 60, I would have absolutely trimmed on the way up, but I was trying to get some get a bigger move, but it's all right. Hopefully some of you guys caught that. Can you guys tell me the reasoning behind that trade? Anybody? We're on a mean winning streak too, as far as green trades. You guys could in the TikTok again, take 2 seconds, hit that like button and be greatly appreciated. Just called out a winning trade for you guys. Hopefully you guys were able to take advantage of that. Me personally, I did not trim. I stopped out the rest in profits just because I didn't get that big of a position. So I was personally looking for more. But again, if you got that average closer to 50, 60, if I would have, absolutely would have been trimming on that move up. So it was about 5 points from my entry. If you got a better entry, then, you know, maybe 7, 8 points. But yeah, again, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button if you haven't already. One winning trade on the day. Everybody in the YouTube, make sure you guys hit that like button. We got 120 of you in here and 52 likes. So again, hit that like button and be greatly appreciated. Subscribe, everybody in TikTok as well, YouTube. If you guys are not in my free Discord and you want to join, again, it's completely free. Go hit me up on Instagram at Brandon Trades. Just DM me saying Discord and I'll get you in. That's all you have to do. DM me on Instagram, Brandon Trades. Yep. So the reason was very strong break through that opening high. Acting like I'm sharing my screen. I can't. But if you look at that opening 5-minute candle, we broke through it with a lot of strength at 18.15, whatever that is. Or sorry. Yeah, well, I mean, volume came in, we broke above it. We had a lot of volume on the next candle. So if we were going to pull back and catch an uptrend entry, it was either at that 8 EMA or the retest of that opening high at 50.60, which is what I was talking about. And again, for my entry, it was about 5 points. If you got a better entry, 6, 7, 8 points, depending on your actual entry. Nice start to Asia. I don't even know what a two candle zone would be, but sure. See if we can catch another. We got 9 minutes until some market opens, so hopefully some volatility comes in. If you guys are looking to get funded too, we got CPI on Friday. It's a good day to pass some Apex accounts, and they're currently 80% off. So if you want to get some Apex accounts, make sure you use discount code Brandon, all caps. If you want to trade gold, because a lot of firms did recently restrict gold, Take Profit Trader, you can trade gold on. So TPT, again, if you use code Brandon, all caps, then yeah, you're good. No, I said I stopped out break even. I said I put my stop slightly in profits. I told you guys you could have trimmed on that move up. I personally just put my stop loss slightly in profit. And it got hit. I don't have a reason to short gold yet, unless we got to a supply zone. But yeah. Again, make sure you guys hit that follow button. I can guarantee not all of you are. We just called out a winning trade here on live. If you guys don't know who I am, first off, I'm Mr. Can't Speak for some reason. I always fucking stutter. But if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Brandon. I've been trading for 8 years, probably longer than 99% of people here on TikTok. I call out my trades from start to finish, exactly what I'm watching. And yeah, I trade a lot of supply and demand, order flow. So if you're looking to learn the right stuff from somebody who actually has experience in the market, this is the place to be. I trade New York, I trade Asia, I trade Power Hour. So yeah, all you gotta do, follow, tap in. That's all I ask. And because I live trade for free, all I ask is if you guys get Apex accounts or Take Profit Trader accounts, just use code Brandon, all caps. That's it. Again, the trading's free. No, I typically don't take the second touch of levels. It's always significantly lower probability. I do want to see how gold reacts so once this whatever market is about to open. Huh? What? What's about to open? Oh. I had to turn my speakers up. They were low. I do. I'm getting old. 27.
We're a little bit past the stop loss. 3 points or so. 2.5 points. We'll see what happens going into the open move. Jump on.
You guys got questions while we're chilling? Any trading questions? To me, it is. I'm always getting hurt. My back hurts. Have you ever gone over to Tradeify to become? I am an affiliate with Tradeify. I just don't promote them that much. If you want to use code Brandon, you can with Tradeify. I just don't really promote them that much. It's funny, 2 people asked about Tradeify at the same time. I'm really good friends with Brett. Brett's cool. I've known him probably for like 6 years. But I prefer TPT. TPT is my favorite. But again, if you want to get Tradeify accounts, use code Brandon, all caps. Again, my Asia strategy is kind of different. It's more reliant on moving averages, VWAP, and then just like previous high break and retest. If we went to a supply and demand zone, obviously I would trade it. But yeah, it's very rare that we hit a supply or demand zone. I mean, if it got a reaction, maybe I'd consider it. But we already took it once, so we'd have to see the actual reaction at 50-60. That would determine, but typically not. I just like the rules the best on TPT, and then there's no consistency rule. I can request payouts pretty much whenever I want. The only downside to TPT is you have to trade the evals for 5 days, but other than that, I mean, I feel like the rules are amazing compared to other firms. The way that I identify daily bias is I draw my supply zones, I draw my demand zones, and I typically wait for price to go and trade to it, and then look for a reaction. So if we reject off supply, I'm bearish until we break supply. If we bounce off demand, I'm bullish until we break below demand. If we break above pre-market highs, we come back and we retest it, and we have no supply zone until, X points away. I'm bullish until we get to the demand, or bullish until we get to the supply zone. By taking good trades, that's it. You have a higher consistency because you took a fat day and then all your other days are smaller. Go watch the video that I just dropped saying my one box trading strategy that breaks down my supply and demand. I dropped it yesterday. Everybody on TikTok, if you want to check out my YouTube, it's Brandon Trades on YouTube. 1,500 videos teach you on how to trade, 125,000 subscribers. So again, if you guys want to start learning the way that I trade, go on over to YouTube, type in Brandon Trades. And again, if you guys want to join my free Discord, head on over to Instagram, Brandon Trades, shoot me a DM, and just say Discord. I'll get you in. It's completely free to join. No cost to it. No cost to it. There you go. Just average around 400, 500. You'll be fine. Hey, if you guys made some money off that gold, take a screenshot and post it in hashtag post your gains and at me. It'd be greatly appreciated. I have one more Apex code to give away too, so I'll drop it in the chat once some of you guys start posting gains. Again, everybody in TikTok, make sure you guys are following. I can guarantee not all of you are. $5 o'clock. $50.55 to $50.60 supply zone? No. Supply is reject. Bounces demand.
Please keep going back and forth. So it's down less than 4 points, 3.75.
Let's get one more hashtag post your gain. I'll drop an Apex code. User. You guys know the rogue Apex codes. So one more post your gain. I'd like NQ if we got that break and retest of that previous high. I'll take whatever you got, Raw Dog. There we go. Now we got people putting it in there. That's a good question. If I'm trading gold, I'm trading it with TPT right now because Apex restricted it. So again, if you want a TPT account and no activation fee, 40% off, and can trade gold, use code Brandon, all caps. All right, you guys better get your Apex, your account pulled up, and get ready to copy and paste because you know how the rogue codes go. I have it typed up. I'll give you guys like 2 minutes to get that shit pulled up. That I don't know. I mean, honestly, I am kind of surprised that all these firms restricted gold because I was under the impression more people were probably blowing accounts trading gold and silver than they were making money. Clearly not. Or else they wouldn't have restricted them, you know? Again, if you guys could, like the video, double tap if you're on TikTok, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. Everybody on TikTok, if you want to join my free Discord, everybody on YouTube, if you want to join my free Discord, hit me up on Instagram, Brandon Trades. Shoot me a DM, say Discord. I'll get you guys in. All right, you guys got your Apex ready?
Wait, I want to get mine ready. Sorry, I don't get Apex.
It's a free account. Why not?
I'd rather have one of our team members get it.
Oh, it's going to be more than one, so everybody better be ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. There's your code. You have to message me on Instagram if you want to get in the free Discord, everybody. My Instagram is Brandon Trades. Instagram, Brandon Trades. I only give away accounts in the Discord as well. Only give away accounts in the Discord. You guys get the live trading on here for free, but I give away accounts in the Discord. There you go. The rogue codes. Fire.
Trying to get 300.
No.
600.
Gene, tell him the code has been redeemed in your voice.
The code has been redeemed. I think that is not able to come again. Yeah, so this is CPA 300. 12 minus only 600.
Fire.
So, like 5 minutes.
Again, if you guys got questions, feel free to ask. And again, like I said, the codes are only in the Discord. That's it. I live trade on here for free, but if you want the codes, you got to be in the Discord for a chance. You're welcome, Lynn. I'm happy we can be friends again. We're at that 50-60 on gold. I just don't know if I'd consider it. Well, you're either going to blow it or pass it tomorrow, I'll tell you that. He said that the account's going to face non-farm payrolls tomorrow. Yes. 50-60 is holding. Maybe if we get a bullish candle close on gold and then pull back and retest moving averages and VWAP, I'd consider.
You can do it. RTV at 300. I'll do the take off. Shoot toward it.
Any questions? TikTok, YouTube? Again, TikTok. Make sure you guys are following. I can guarantee not all of you are. Take 2 seconds. Hit that follow button. I already called out a winning trade tonight. So if you want more winning trades, I live trade New York, Power Hour, Asia. Hit that follow button. Because again, I guarantee not all of you are following. And then let's see, what time frame am I using? This is a 5-minute time frame. That's typically what I'll trade on. But then I use higher time frames to identify my key levels. And then if we close bullish on this 5-minute, I'll consider, but I need us to actually like close above VWAP, and I consider it.
Anybody else still hold longs?
I try. Probably not Power Hour on YouTube because I've done Power Hour in the past and it didn't do good. But Asia and New York is typically pretty good here on YouTube. Yeah, you like the setup, Mike? You want to see it change? Hold on. Y'all ready for this? Oh, shit. There we go. Y'all ready? We're going to change some colors up in here. Do all this off my phone. Yeah. We go all blue. We can, let's see what else we got. Among the Pines, whatever that is. I actually like this one. Too bright. That's fire. All right. We'll do this one. We shall do this one. Dropped 80 racks on the basement. Oh, there goes 50-60. Forget that. We ain't trading gold now. Get that boy his price target. I'm going to watch that break and retest. I am going to watch that break and retest. That previous high. If we can get above it. Gold just got slaughtered.
Potentially, consider one. Should just full board it. We'd be at like $1,000.
Why didn't you?
Scared.
You're scared? It's alright, buddy.
Just case 300, please. Please, case 300. Sorry. So slow. Literally, for the last hour, bros, been in a range from this 285, 287, and below 267, so 20 point range. Both look nice, actually.
Any other questions y'all got while we're chilling? I feel like this wasn't like this previously on YouTube. Whatever. Let's do that. Any questions at all? It's reclaiming the levels, so. Lots of volume behind it. CMGC. See, again, if we can get above that VWAP, I'll consider it. But you gotta hold above there. I know you guys got questions. Where they at? I've been trading Asia for a while. It's been a few months, actually. Probably 3 or 4 months. I just didn't go live for a while. Maybe that's why. If you're not in Team Bull, then you wouldn't know. But yeah, I've been doing it 3, 4 months, maybe even longer, to be honest. I trade futures. Again, if you guys are looking to learn exactly how I trade, head on over to YouTube, type in Brandon Trades. I'll pop right up. 1,500 videos, 125,000 subscribers. Overall, a lot of education over there. Can't go wrong. Promise. You will not be disappointed. Especially my last 2 recent videos. Guarantee you won't be disappointed. Well, fuck gold. We don't care about gold now. NQ, not ES. Mainly NQ and GC. I'd say mainly GC, though. Mainly GC. Again, if you guys want to join the free Discord, go hit me up on Instagram at Brandon Trades and DM me Discord. I already almost have like 800 people within a few days in the free Discord. So again, hit me up on Instagram, Brandon Trades, DM me Discord. I'll get you guys in today. VWAP is this orange line, but yeah, volume weighted average price. I'm tired though. I'm gonna take a fat nap whenever I hop off. That's for sure. I think you're gonna get a Gene. Oh no. It's gonna be Friday by the time we hit it. Who added me? Are you on a 25K account? You're on a 50K? 7,000 drawdown limit. I mean, yeah, that's what I suggest to everybody. Just trade normal. That's it. Yeah, I still trade options. I traded options last week. If there's a setup on an individual stock and that's the only way I can make money, I'm trading options. Team Bull, you guys got any questions? While we're vibing? While gold is being bipolar? Yeah, I'm looking, staying patient. That's a Jadon question, not a Brandon question. Something about Jadon's Zoom. I don't know. I don't even know what day it is. Is it Monday or Tuesday? It's Tuesday. I didn't even know that. Again, TikTok, if you guys could, make sure to hit that follow button. Guarantee not all of you are following. Double tap the screen as well. It helps a lot with the algo. Gets more people up in here. The more we got, the better it is. So again, follow. I live trade. New York, Asia, Power Hour. I teach for free. My YouTube channel is filled with free videos. All you guys gotta do is your part by hitting or double tapping the screen and hitting that follow button. YouTube, you guys are killing it with the like to people ratio. It's like 80% of you have hit that like button. I just call it Asia. As soon as the market opens, I just call it Asia. If I'm not correct on times, so be it. But yeah, I just call anything after 6 p.m. EST Asia until London at 3 a.m. Ooh. You guys take any other trades outside of the gold that I took? Anything else? Got you. Got a bunch of DMs I gotta get back to. I will, promise. I'll get you guys in the free Discord today. Speaking of which, the ones that are already in, I gotta get you guys some rolls. Get you guys all set up. I'm trying to get this thing to 1,000 people this week. I think it's easily achievable. Don, you didn't take anything. Chris, what's up? Good evening. Fire. Everybody should have rolls. Yep. Perfect. Yep, we have officially 800 people. I think we can do 200 more. You gotta see the floor too. There you go. He's gotta come fix the floor, but I mean it's glow in the dark. That shit's hard. But yeah, he's gotta come make it shinier and then fix a couple things, but that's the floor in here, it's fire. If you know the passcode, I'll let you in. Gotta know the passcode to enter the office. First, I'm here just to get a feel how gold is moving. I mean, yeah, gold's pretty fire during Asia. But what was it? I think last Wednesday, it was like really moving. Like we took some really nice trades last Wednesday during Asia. What's up, Heavy Iron? I trade gold and NQ. Gold and NQ during Asia. I did trade silver in the past, but it doesn't really move now. SI. Or it's not as volatile as it was. I've never used Ninja Trader, so I don't know. Yeah, I took one trade on GC. It went 5 points for my entry. If you got the better entry, you could have called it 6, 7, 8 points. EWJ and EWY. I just swung EWJ and I don't even know how long. Oh, the move's already done. It already moved. Way too much. That was a weekly squeeze firing. But it's gone. So I wouldn't even care about it. Probably the same thing with EWY. Let's see. Daily, do we have a squeeze? I mean, the daily doesn't look too bad. If it can get above that previous all-time high, it's probably going to go above 126.70. What is EWY? I don't think I've ever swung it. South Korea. But yeah, get above 126.70. EWJ, it's already made the move.
Celsius. Anybody know how much the
There's this thing called Google or ChatGPT. You know you love me. Whatever the market gives me, to be honest. As long as I get a 1-to-1 risk to reward, I'm happy. But then after that, whatever the market gives. The app that I'm using is Thinkorswim. And I'm also going to restart the TikTok because I think they restricted it. So if you guys are watching me on TikTok, just rejoin. I'm going to restart it real quick.
That's literally insane. That's negative 5.8 degrees. Almost 6 degrees. And Jacob wants me to go him to hike that mountain that needs to be negative 6 degrees. What do you think, Chad?
What mountain? TFTI. Hell no, I don't want to go.
So at the summit, yeah. It's gonna be 1 degree. I'm not too much.
I have no idea what that means. 6 Hindenburg omens. No clue what that is.
I'm not gonna know, bro. Yeah, wind chill. That's with wind chill. Without wind chill, it is 7. That's the min, the max is 14. Wind chill, negative 6. 16, 16, 1.
What was your entry on that NQ?
74.
Why did you not trim when we went into high day?
What? 5, 10 points?
74.5? That's 12 points, buddy.
No. 74.5. That's like, what?
And it went to 86, so that's 12 points.
Before my average was 275. We went up. I wasn't in when we went up to 87 points. $7. So I was up like probably 11 points if you just hit that. Trying to hit that high.
I'd say 11, 12 points pretty good. Again, I have no idea what that means. I don't think it's really going to do anything for me. I'll Google it, though, if it makes you happy.
Not really. Mark something.
It's just an indicator. I literally would not hold too much weight to that. So all I know, if the market reverses and it crashes, best case scenario, I'm buying long term. Nothing can predict when the market's going to crash, but yeah, we are. Does that mean it's going to happen now? No. It's not going to tell you like when it's actually going to happen. Sure, it can signal it, but no indicator is going to be, oh, it's going to happen tomorrow. So I literally would just trade technicals. That's it. All that outside noise does nothing but confuse you. That's it. Does nothing but confuse. Goddamn TikTok restricted my shit. That's why YouTube's better. Doesn't restrict you. Oh, gold recovered. You start watching gold again. It's got a squeeze, so maybe get like a 5-minute candle bullish close and then a pullback into VWAP and the moving averages. We could potentially look for an uptrend entry on gold. Facts. Facts. TikTok drives me crazy too. I have 3 screens. I'm gonna watch gold again, everybody. We get a 5-minute candle bullish close and then a pullback into these moving averages because we're squeezing right now.
There's literally an avalanche risk for that amount.
Huh? Make sure that we are in the will before he goes.
Yeah, sure. Serious.
How long do you think it takes to hike that? Let's see.
$8.
God damn, dude.
He told me if I want to stop, I can stop away from that man, bro. I'm not sitting at the bottom of the mountain on my own alone. Scared.
That's funny.
He even told me if it moves spikes from my shoes to wear. But that doesn't sound fun to me, dude. We can do something hard. I'd rather go run this thing off than something. 14ers? Are you serious? 14ers in the winter? Yeah, when it's still up there with that.
Hopefully we can get this gold pullback, stay in the squeeze, and Q's finally squeezing as well, so I'll watch that. Hopefully we can get this gold pull back.
It's crazy. No, I haven't taken anything off yet.
Give me the gold pull back.
I'm good.
We already hit it. We already took the trade base off of it.
I've never acted 14 before. Ever. Talk about no experience.
I don't think we're getting this gold pull back. I'll watch this NQ though, if it does pull back.
No, it's not.
One more time to 80. I'll take it. 80 to 75.
Oh, please don't.
No. Pull back. I want to enter.
No, please.
Bruh.
What the flip was that?
Did you trim? Huh? I thought you put a fucking sell order. Oh. I guess I'll watch this break and retest.
I'll give you 300.
Again, everybody in TikTok and the new stream, make sure you guys are following if you haven't already. Follow if you have not already.
Dude, there's snow in the summer.
Hopefully we get a pullback. I really got pee though. I'm actually gonna end the TikTok because it's keeping me restricted. All right, TikTok. I'll be back tomorrow when I'm unrestricted. If you guys want to tap into YouTube, Brandon Trades, I'll be over there. Peace. I just really got to pee, so I'll be back. You guys stay. All right, I'm back. We're getting the potential gold pullback. I don't even know if this camera's right now. Yeah. There we go. All right.
So big.
All right.
Mortgages lost lower than New York. That's the biggest difference.
Hola, Mr. Gene. I'm back. What's up? Watching this gold, I might try it again. What did you just call me? Little homie. I ain't no little homie.
Yeah, you are.
Watching both gold and NQ for possible uptrend entries. Want to fight? Last I remember, you refused to put the gloves on. We absolutely could have. It would have taken 10 seconds.
Put the gloves on.
10 seconds to put the gloves on, 10 seconds to knock your bitch ass out.
Don't forget. Okay.
I know. Might not get that gold entry. Said I might not get that gold entry. I'm watching for longs on gold. No reason to look for shorts.
Is anybody still on phone talking to you? How many contracts do you guys using the same with me? You're telling me to burn. I'm still at probably 16 online. You got 8 on Monday. You should literally run it.
What? I want 801 Chop House.
Still got
801 Chop House. Or sushi. You owe me sushi, actually. Yeah, you do.
Not anymore.
I would like to redeem it.
Nope.
I would like to redeem the code. I didn't do anything to you. I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know if you guys
Yeah, he does.
let this one make a call.
All right, bet. Who owes who sushi?
Who owes who sushi?
Got a couple people typing. Yeah, you owe Brandon sushi. There's one.
Get sushi.
She's not in the conversation.
Sushi. I mean,
I'm broke, bro. I'm living on food stamps.
she got me sushi because she's carrying a child.
Oh, yeah?
Houston. I want to go to Texas next month. Houston, I'll be in San Antonio. You come pick me up if you want. Yeah, shoot. No, this longest take forever, bro. This is this longest take forever. Dude, let's see my head. Originally, I had 4:39 p.m. Mountain Time. Over an hour.
I'm getting bored now. Maybe this gold can pop back up and confirm. I'd be willing to take it.
Reddit on it, so I can log in, so
Bruh. Real quick, everybody in the YouTube, if you guys use Take Profit Trader, Apex, Tradeify, make sure you use discount code Brandon. Apex is currently 80% off. Take Profit Trader is 40% off, no activation fee, but you can trade things such as gold, where Apex restricted gold. And then you can also get on Tradeify, which I think is like 35% off. Again, use code Brandon. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify. Code Brandon. What? Oh, yeah? Finally, Don. Bruh. Did you hear that, Gene? Did you hear the huge?
What?
Did you hear the huge? It's my, I don't know what it is. Some random ass sound that just pops up all the time. When you come here Thursday to trade, you'll hear it.
What am I gonna even trade on?
Your phone. Bring your PC here. I got a box for you. You put it on.
You wanna monitor me?
I have a TV. Yeah.
I need my camera, my mic, my PC.
Yup.
I mean, if I want to stream on Discord, I don't need all that.
It's a 100-inch TV, so definitely got a lot of space to put shit on there. See if this NQ can pull back to this 8 EMA. I'd consider longs. Should I make for dinner, Gene?
Make some tacos.
Bet. ¿Quieres taco de pito? ¿Sí o no? ¿Por qué?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Hoping we can hit this 8 EMA. I use the 8 EMA, 21 EMA, and VWAP. That's what I use. Eight EMA, 21 EMA, VWAP. This might push without me. If it does push, I'll probably call it a night. Really, the only other thing I see is that 8 EMA.
Oh, Brandon. Brandon.
Sup? All I wanted was that 8 EMA. They couldn't even give it to me. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. See if they can pull back. Probably tomorrow at this rate. Again, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex, TPT, Tradeify, make sure you use discount code Brandon, all caps. We'll get you the best possible discount on all three of those firms. Apex currently 80% off. TPT 40% off, no activation fee. Tradeify 30 to 35% off. This fucker's gonna push. It's gonna go. Hopefully not. Yeah, it's going high today. It's gonna go. Broke above that opening high. Not opening high, but like that 30-minute opening range. Made a support. Here. I see no reason why it won't go to high a day, and then potentially 300, which is our next area of liquidity. Yep. MNQ made a new high, NQ did not. Yep, there it goes. Damn. It's all right, though. Like I said, I'll be live tomorrow for New York Market Open. So if you guys can make it to the live stream in the morning, definitely tap in. Yeah. Again, if you want to join the free Discord, go hit me up on Instagram at Brandon Trades. I'll get you guys in the Discord tonight. That way you're in it. Trying to think what else. Yeah. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, use code Brandon. I live trade for free. So if you guys can support me by doing that, be greatly appreciated. But yeah, I will see everybody tomorrow during New York Market Open. And